tornado warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for central Nassau County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Duval County in northeastern Florida, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ocean Way, or near Jacksonville International Airport, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jacksonville International Airport around 2 p.m. Ocean Way around 2:10 p.m. Jacksonville around 2:15 p.m. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Duval and Nassau.